Hi guys, I just got this in the mail today and I'm so happy. I had ordered the Jeffree Star Love Me Not collection. I really wanted to try this brand, so I just got this today. And let us open this right now because I cannot wait until I do the video on this. But I'm too eager to open and see the pack, so I am just going to do that. Okay guys, oh my god, I really can't wait to see this. Let me show you guys first. Wow, look at that, so beautiful. Wow, look at the package. Wow, it has all his tattoos, I guess. Look at that, so pretty. I thought it would be all red, but looks more black and white. And there is that. It says Beautylish presents. Beautiful. Don't mind my nail polish. I have different color and different nails. Wow. I'm really so excited, because I have no idea how these are going to look on like my skin tone. Wow, there is the letter that says be positive. Oh, this is the letter I wrote for myself, guys. I love when I do something like this, I just make it as a gift so that they are wrapped really good. And I wrote a note for myself. So it says be positive, dream big, and remember nothing is impossible. Love yourself. That's a letter I wrote to myself, and I like to inspire myself. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see this. Look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got this, because I didn't want like the big size, and the ones I want are always sold out. And there is a pack right here. I don't know what is in this. Let's look at that. There's like a pouch. Wow. There's some samples. The Oribi Covetable Packaging Salon Tested Formulas. Beautylish. So it's a Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo and Conditioner from of Oribi. So just samples, just pretty good sample. Wow, beautiful. So I ordered this from Beautylish, guys. Oh my god, look at that. And it came so fast. It came within that 2 days. I even got free shipping, because over $35 it's free shipping. And look at that, how beautiful it looks there. Love me not. And I'm going to do a swatch video of all this in a different video, because that's going to take some time. Oh my god, I am dying. Oh my god, I love mini sizes. They look so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, they look like, okay, they look, oh my god, other than I think watermelon soda and prom night, every other color looks like something that I would really love. Oh my god, the unicorn blood doesn't even look that dark. That's beauty. So wait for my video, and I'm going to do the video with all the swatches of all this. I'm going to try it right now. I just can't wait. I'm going to try right now, and then I'm going to do a swatch video for you guys on all of these, because I'm really eager to see how they look on me. Just because every color looks different on different people, and I was eager to see how the colors are. There you go, so beautiful. It has doll parts. This is doll parts, Calabasas, wifey, and what's the other one? The watermelon soda, then Anna Nicole, prom night, red rum, and unicorn blood. There you go. Bye guys. We'll do a video on this later. but I really wanted to record the unboxing, so I just did that. The names of all of that are right in the back here, and this box is so nice even to display. It has this magnetic open and close here. Beautiful. I love it. There you go, guys. See you later. Bye.